Dear Plant Killer, all hope is not lost. Your hero just landed on Kickstarter.
I'm Roderick, I'm an inventor and a plant lover.
I'm Chris, I'm a bioscientist.
Together, we create Plant Heroes.
Did you know that improper watering is one of the top reasons behind the meaningless deaths of countless innocent houseplants? Too much or too little? That's always the question, isn't it?
With Plant Hero, we only need to supply water once a month. The water will be consistent throughout. We wanted something simple, without complicated mechanism or electricity to function. Something affordable and stylish.
Plant Hero takes the guesswork out of watering your plants by mimicking nature's way of doing the job it's done for millions and millions of years. Through an intuitive watering system and the use of a nutrient-rich medium, Plant Hero automatically feeds the plant just the right amount of water at exactly the right time. Every set comes with a water tray, reservoir, plant holder, clay medium, and pebbles. Imagine the possibilities. Enjoy your holidays without having to worry about leaving a thirsty green baby at home. No more drowning your plant. No more complicated and expensive plant setups. And most of all, no more sad plants. Plant Hero brings the magic of Mother Nature's green thumb to your home and office. So you can get from this to this. Support Plant Hero on Kickstarter and start saving the world one houseplant at a time.
$40 of bottled water. Right, that'll be 6 litres of oil, 4 kilograms of carbon, and 2 dead turtles, please.
Wouldn't it be nice if we all knew the greater cost of the goods we buy? Mother Nature usually pays the price, but rumor has it, she's getting low on resources. Well, here is the solution, my friend. Meet the best water filter you've ever laid eyes on. Not only will this give you great tasting water without the nasties, but it features a revolutionary refillable cartridge that saves tons of plastic waste compared to the rest. What a no-brainer! Other brands claim to reduce plastic waste, but they just haven't gone far enough. Over 100 million traditional cartridges go to landfill every year. That's enough to fill 50 jumbo jets. Using your Phox filter is easy. Simply open the filter and start filling it up in the correct order. The Phox V2 is made of recycled food-safe plastic and glass to preserve that refreshing clean taste. There's one thing I hate, it's missing a delivery. But I don't have to worry about that. With Phox, my subscription sends out a refill in this tiny little pack, which goes straight through my letterbox. One thing they know about water is that people have different needs. That's why Phox gives you options. Maybe you want water without the nasties to make a great cup of coffee, or maybe you want water with added electrolytes and minerals for better hydration. Either way, take your pick. Phox's community of 6,000 customers said they wanted a more beautiful and sustainable way to drink. With your support, you can help make this product a game changer for a healthier planet and a healthier you. Drink clean.
Lumir K is an easy accessible, and sustainable lamp. All you need is a few drops of cooking oil to light up. Imagine you're out in nature or a campsite without a single light. Well, your rechargeable lamp is running out of the battery. So, what is your plan B for such situations? Let's take it a little further. How about 1.2 billion population in the world who do not have access to electricity? What would they do? That's why we came up with Lumir K. Just grab a cooking oil anywhere you can find. It's easier to spot one than you would expect, like your home, in the backpack for camping, and even in off-grid areas where you have no access to light. It doesn't even matter what kind of cooking oil is. Olive, canola, and palm oil, literally any oil you fetch. Fill up the container with cooking oil, light the wick, and put the lamp over it. In 2 minutes, it will light up the bright and adjustable LED light. Super easy. Lumir K is efficient. It lasts an hour with just 5 ml of cooking oil. It's a perfect size that you can store anywhere without taking a huge space. So it will be there for you on emergency. And Lumir K is sustainable as its life is 10 years. After we launched our candle-powered lamp back in 2016, we strive to develop a more practical and efficient lamp. Now, Lumir is reaching out to various regions for those who need light so that they can make their day longer. With the light of Lumir K, mothers can make a living even after sunset, and kids can study to brighten up their future. Your Lumir K will keep their lives going after sunset. We can't wait for how you will use yours. And with your support, Lumir K can present a more powerful light to the world. Together, we can make a difference. Let's light up the world.
Wood heaters are wonderful heating methods for warming the house, especially rocket math heaters. They offer almost complete combustion of the timber, only steam rises from the chimney and there is little to no smoke. It's here, the next revolution of the wood heater, the rocket math heater. They can reach very high temperatures while using only small diameters of timber. This is the world's most useful house survival device.
It's a more gentle way to take resources from nature and a lot easier for people to keep the fire going in the house.
A way for harvesting the firewood and not needing to cut entire trees down, saving millions, potentially billions of trees.
Just simply throw a few sticks into the wood heater, then watch them burn beautifully and enjoy your cozy and relaxing lifestyle.
(700 Fahrenheit). See, 700. 13 minutes only, using a small amount of timber.
Cutting a tree down and chopping wood is such a pain and traumatic. There's a lot of work and it makes a huge mess and becomes some kind of disaster after you log down a lot of trees.
Carrying timber is hard work for us. If wood heaters only use small medium diameter timber, that would be our best choice. The most interesting is there is nearly no smoke from the chimney. It's amazing. I'm looking forward to see what we can do to bring this idea to life, as I have already seen the prototype working perfectly.
Just simply throw a few sticks into the wood heater, then watch them burn beautifully. Enjoy your cozy home with the whole family. It's easy for us and for aged people as well.
The rocket math heater, the biggest innovation in the wood heater for 200 years. The combustion method has been changed and is more efficient and sustainable.
As a retired engineer, one of the coolest things in my life is looking at a few sticks burning like a rocket jet fire without smoke rising from the chimney. This is amazing. You feel like you spend nothing, but you get a huge price from simple techniques. Why didn't we think of this 20 years ago?
As an inventor, we are always looking at how we can make things better. We hope to get feedback to improve the design and efficiency of our products. The Rocket Math heater is built using only quality parts. It comes in 3 sizes, each with its own design feature. Every family should have at least one Rocket Math heater in the house, or keep one in the shed for an emergency. Don't rely on electricity or gas. You can survive with the Rocket Math heater, cooking your meals and keeping you warm while using a small amount of timber.
If you are new to Rocket Math heater, don't worry, we will provide education to show you how to use your heater correctly. Your Rocket Math heater will minimise pollution to the air and save you money on timber.
If we look after nature, she'll look after us. In this century, we are beginning to realise that in order to survive, we must protect it. The Rocket Math heater really is an amazing asset for you and your family.
Trees are poems, the earth writes upon the sky. We fell their branches down and turned them into fire. The dancing flames are talking about their stories, the real mystery of Mother Nature.